At this community garden, what they have done is they have planted as kind of a border some lamb's ear. I love lamb's ear for two different reasons. One, it's this really cool foliage. It's a silvery white foliage, and the leaves look like lamb's ear. They've got this really fuzzy little texture to them. They're super fun to have around. It's a spreading kind of clumping root system, and so they spread kind of in a mass. The other thing that they do is they're great for pollinators. As you can see, they have these nice long stems that they produce, and it has a purple flower to it. The bees, as you can see, bumblebees, all of our native pollinators love to utilize this, and this is a great one to encourage them to come to your garden for further pollination. So this is going to benefit not only our early things like our cucumbers that are planted, but our tomatoes, and produce more yield because of our pollinators being encouraged to be here. Some of the other plants that they've utilized around the borders to encourage this pollination is they have yarrow. They have that planted in a small clump. Yarrow is more of a spring bloomer, early summer bloomer, but it'll extend throughout the season if you cut it and allow more shoots to come. Another one that you can plant along the edge is our daylilies that they have. They also can have items like zinnia or cosmos that'll bloom throughout the summer, and they are a cut and come again variety. But you can see the bumblebees, they have some honeybees that are here. They have some hoverflies. All of these pollinators are going to increase our yields of our vegetables that are planted here. For more questions about pollination or our vegetable gardens, please reach out to the University of Illinois Extension or visit our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks.